Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi One Orbit sander. This sander is small and compact. It's cordless. It uses a 18-volt battery that lasts pretty long. It has on and off push button switches, so you don't have to hold down a trigger. Comes with its own dust bag to collect dust. It uses circular sand blades, and it doesn't rotate or spin. It's more of a free spinning, so you can maneuver it around. Okay, I put in the battery so you can see how it operates. You can see the bottom there. It's spinning a little bit, but that's just because it's vibrating. It's free spinning. It doesn't spin around. You just vibrate when you're sanding, and it does a really good job. And it's a good sander, and I like it. So I hope this review helps.